Want to back up important Gmail emails to Dropbox automatically? In this guide, we'll show you how to save Gmail messages straight to Dropbox. No manual downloads and no coding required. Go to your AppyPie Automate dashboard and click Explore. Then search for Gmail and select it from the list. On the Gmail integration page, scroll down to find Dropbox and click on it to open the Gmail plus Dropbox automation setup. You'll now see a list of available templates and trigger action pairs. Click Get Started with Gmail and Dropbox integration to begin setting up your workflow. Log in or sign up for AppyPie Automate. Choose Gmail as your trigger app and select either New Email or New Labeled Email, depending on your use case. Connect your Gmail account and run a quick test to fetch sample data. Next, choose Dropbox as your action app and select the Upload File event. Connect your Dropbox account. Now you'll see two required fields. First, choose the folder in Dropbox where you'd like to save the email. Second, select the file content. This could be the email body, an attachment, or any mapped content. Use your mapped Gmail data to format the file as needed, such as a TXT or even a video format if included. Click Continue, and once everything looks good, click Activate Connect to turn on the automation. Now it's time to test. Send a test email to your Gmail account. This could include plain text, attachments, or even a video file. Check your Dropbox folder to verify the file has been uploaded exactly as configured. And that's it. You've now set up an automation to back up Gmail emails to Dropbox using AppyPie Automate, saving time and keeping your files organized.